Good morning.
Morning.
And my girls got her hiking hair on, yeah, just for that, so we can go super hiking. And we found a great mountain. I don't know what the name of it here in Thailand, but we're gonna go up there and do an awesome hike. Later. Hey, we're up to one of the viewpoints. I think it's called Crab.
What?
But here in Hua Hin, and we're gonna start our hike. I want to show you. We got the turkeys right here, hanging out. Very cool. Oh my God, man.
You can see. Ooh.
Oh my God, you gotta see this. Look at that. Come on, man. Isn't this cool? Don't slip. Be the last time you slip.
What?
Holy macaroni. Holy macaroni. Look at this. Honey, don't fall. Be the last time you fall.
No, don't.
Holy. Ho. Ho.
What in the top, but people say they're beautiful, so yeah, we will check this out next. That's our hiking there, and yeah, this is the viewpoint. They call it second viewpoint here, and they have another viewpoint right there, 1 2 3 and like that. And yeah, this is wow, I don't expect like this, but this is beautiful.
Thanks for watching. We got a booklet coming out for tips and tricks for your first vacation in Thailand, and also a booklet on moving to Thailand if you so choose. Hope you have a great adventure, and thanks for watching.